As an avid tech enthusiast and fitness tracker user, I recently got my hands on the Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch, and I'm excited to share my experience with this budget-friendly device. As I strapped the Amazfit Bip 5 smartwatch to my wrist, I couldn't help but feel a mix of curiosity and skepticism. After all, how much could a budget-friendly smartwatch really offer? Little did I know, I was about to embark on a week-long journey that would challenge my preconceptions and redefine what I thought possible in the world of affordable wearables. From the moment I powered it on, the Bip 5's vibrant display caught my eye, hinting at the surprises that lay ahead. As a tech enthusiast who's tested countless gadgets, I've learned to temper my expectations, especially when it comes to budget devices. But as the days went by, this unassuming smartwatch began to reveal its true colors, proving that sometimes the most remarkable experiences come in unexpected packages. Join me as I take you through my hands-on experience with the Amazfit Bip 5, a device that not only kept pace with my active lifestyle, but also managed to impress me in ways I never anticipated. Design and build. The Amazfit Bip 5 sports a square design that's reminiscent of many popular smartwatches on the market. At first glance, you might even mistake it for an Apple Watch. The watch measures 45, multiplied by 38, multiplied 11.2 millimeters, and weighs a mere 40 grams with the strap, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The build quality is solid, featuring a glossy frame that, while attractive, is prone to fingerprints. The watch boasts IP68 water resistance, allowing you to wear it during sweaty workouts or in the rain without worry. One of the standout design features is the large 1.91-inch TFT-LCD touchscreen, which offers a resolution of 320 multiplied by 380 pixels and a crisp 260 ppi. The display is protected by 2.5D scratch-resistant glass, ensuring durability in daily use. I found the screen to be bright, fluid, and responsive, making it easy to navigate through the various features and read notifications at a glance. The watch comes with a 22mm interchangeable strap made of skin-friendly material. I received the soft black color, but it's also available in creamy white and pale pink. Amazfit offers a variety of strap materials, allowing for easy customization to suit your style. On the right side of the watch, you'll find a single-function button that serves multiple purposes, including waking up the watch, going back, quick launching features, and pausing workouts. The left side houses a speaker grill, while a microphone is located below the function button. Specifications and features. The Amazfit Bip 5 is packed with an impressive array of sensors and features that you'd typically expect to find in more expensive devices. Here's a rundown of the key specifications. Accelerometer, 24-hour heart rate monitor, SPO2 sensor, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, 4 satellite positioning systems, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, built-in microphone and speaker for voice calling. One of the most impressive aspects of the Bip 5 is its extensive list of supported activities. With over 120 sports modes, including traditional options like running and cycling, as well as more niche activities like dancing and even board games, this watch has you covered for virtually any type of exercise. The watch face customization options are plentiful, with over 70 designs to choose from. These range from seasonal themes and sports-oriented displays to geometric patterns and cute animal designs. I particularly enjoyed a charming fishing cap watch face I found in the image library. Fitness and health features. As a fitness enthusiast, I put the Amazfit Bip 5 through its paces across various activities, including cycling, running, yoga, and strength training. The watch performed admirably in tracking these workouts, providing accurate and detailed data. For outdoor activities, the Bip 5 leverages its quad satellite positioning system to deliver precise tracking. I found the GPS lock to be quick and reliable, maintaining a consistent connection throughout my runs. The watch provides comprehensive data for outdoor workouts, including distance, calories burned, average heart rate, average speed, average pace, cadence, and duration. It even calculates more advanced metrics like VO2 max, recovery period, and heart rate zones. One feature I particularly appreciated was the ability to pause workouts mid-session using the side button. This came in handy during interval training or when I needed to take a quick break. The heart rate monitoring on the Bip 5 proved to be accurate, consistently aligning with my perceived exertion levels during workouts. The SPO2 sensor for measuring blood oxygen levels is a welcome addition, especially for those interested in monitoring their overall health or for high-altitude activities. Sleep tracking is another area where the Bip 5 performs well. While not as detailed as some higher-end devices, it provides useful insights into sleep duration and quality. However, it's worth noting that more in-depth weekly sleep reports require a paid subscription. The watch also includes a stress monitor, which I found intriguing. While I didn't use it extensively, I can see its potential value for those looking to manage their stress levels throughout the day. Smart features and app integration. The Amazfit Bip 5 pairs with the Zepp app, which serves as the central hub for all your fitness and health data. The app is well designed and easy to navigate, offering a comprehensive overview of your activities, sleep patterns, and other health metrics. One unique feature of the Zepp app is the PI, Personal Activity Intelligence, score. This built-in reward system tracks your activity and assigns a score based on your overall activity level. The app claims that maintaining a PI score of 100 or above each week can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, citing a scientific study to support this assertion. The smartwatch offers a range of convenient features beyond fitness tracking. You can receive notifications from your smartphone, control music playback, set alarms, check the weather, and even use Amazon Alexa for voice commands. The built-in microphone and speaker also enable Bluetooth calling directly from your wrist, which I found to be a handy feature for quick conversations on the go. Other noteworthy features include a to-do list, camera controls for your smartphone, and the ability to store membership cards digitally on the watch. While you can't reply to notifications directly from the watch, you can read and dismiss them easily. Battery life. One of the most impressive aspects of the Amazfit Bip 5 is its battery life. In my experience, the watch lasted about 10 days on a single charge with moderate use, including daily activity tracking and a few GPS-enabled workouts. This longevity is particularly noteworthy given the watch's large, bright display and comprehensive feature set. The charging process is straightforward, using the included charging dock. While not the fastest charging smartwatch on the market, the extended battery life means you won't need to charge it frequently. Value for money. Perhaps the most striking aspect of the Amazfit Bip 5 is its price point. At just $89/£89, this smartwatch offers an incredible array of features that you typically expect to find in devices costing 2 or 3 times as much. 2. The combination of a high-quality display, extensive fitness tracking capabilities, smart features, and impressive battery life makes the Bip 5 an exceptional value proposition. When compared to other popular fitness trackers like the Fitbit Versa 4, which retails for $199, the Bip 5 holds its own in terms of features and functionality while costing significantly less too. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to dip their toes into the world of smartwatches without breaking the bank. So, should you buy it? After spending a week with the Amazfit Bip 5, I'm genuinely impressed by what this budget-friendly smartwatch has to offer. It successfully combines an attractive design, a bright and responsive display, comprehensive fitness tracking features, and impressive battery life into a package that's hard to beat at its price point. While it's not without its quirks, such as the need for a paid subscription for detailed sleep analysis, the overall package is compelling. The Bip 5 proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a capable and feature-rich smartwatch. For fitness enthusiasts, casual users, or anyone looking to track their health and activity without breaking the bank, the Amazfit Bip 5 is an excellent choice. It offers a taste of premium smartwatch features at a fraction of the cost, making it a game-changer in the budget fitness tracker market. In conclusion, the Amazfit Bip 5 has exceeded my expectations in almost every way. It's a testament to how far budget smartwatches have come, offering a user experience that rivals much more expensive devices. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or simply looking for a capable smartwatch to keep you connected and track your daily activities, the Amazfit Bip 5 is definitely worth considering. It's a smart choice that doesn't compromise on features or quality, proving that sometimes you can get more than what you pay for.